2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class in Selenite Grey is the definition of modern luxury blended with cutting-edge technology, designed for those who expect nothing but the best. From the very first glance, this flagship sedan makes a powerful statement. The Selenite Grey metallic paint gives the car a calm yet commanding presence, reflecting light smoothly across its long, elegant body. The signature Maybach chrome grille with vertical slats, the iconic hood ornament, and the extended wheelbase instantly separated from a regular S-Class, making it clear this is something far more exclusive. Step around the exterior and you'll notice the flawless details. The LED digital light headlights feature advanced projection technology that adapts to road conditions, while the sculpted side profile flows seamlessly into the rear, where elegant LED taillights and subtle chrome accents complete the look. Large Maybach exclusive alloy wheels add a sense of strength and refinement, perfectly balancing luxury and performance. Inside, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class feels more like a private jet than a car. The cabin is wrapped in premium Napa leather, real wood trims, polished metal accents, and ambient lighting with dozens of customizable colors. Rear seat passengers are the true priority here, with executive lounge seating, power-adjustable recliners, heated and ventilated seats, and optional calf rests. The rear passengers can enjoy individual infotainment screens, wireless headphones, folding tables, and even a refrigerated compartment for drinks, turning every ride into a first-class experience. Technology is at the heart of this Maybach. The latest MBUX infotainment system features a massive OLED touchscreen with ultra-sharp graphics, voice control that understands natural language, and seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium Burmester 4D surround sound system fills the cabin with rich, immersive audio, while advanced noise cancellation and acoustic glass ensure an incredibly quiet ride. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is expected to come with a powerful V8 bi-turbo engine paired with a mild hybrid system. This setup delivers smooth yet confident acceleration, making the car feel effortless on highways and city roads alike. The air suspension with adaptive damping scans the road ahead and adjusts in real time, giving passengers an almost floating ride quality. All-wheel drive helps maintain stability and control in all driving conditions. Safety is just as impressive, with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and active parking assist. These systems work together to make driving or being driven safer and more relaxing. In the United States, the expected starting price of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is around $200,000, depending on the model and optional features selected. While it sits at the top of the luxury sedan segment, it delivers unmatched comfort, prestige, and innovation. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class in Selenite Grey is not just a car, it's a statement of success, elegance, and ultimate refinement, built for those who demand excellence in every detail.